Today, I'll be teaching you the fourth class of the third part of word drum. The first line is 一二三四五六一二三四右走左右走 and 右走左右走 you play 4 times. And when you hit 走, you raise your right hand up and you also look up a little bit. And on 一二三四 you cross your right leg over the drum and you also cross your hands together, then you turn around. Now let's try it on the drum using the speed of 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's increase the speed to 120. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. The second line is 右走左右走 and you hit it 4 times on the rims. The first 右走 you hit on the side of the rim, then you step to your right side, you hit 左右走, then you come to the center, you hit 右走, you step to your left side, you hit 左右走. Now let's try it on the drum using the speed of 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's increase the speed to 120. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that we already learned the first and the second line, let's try to learn them using the speed of 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's increase the speed to 120. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of our fourth class of word drum. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the like button.